Them I wonder how me live through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. From me born on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified.
Good morning, guys. I am starting the vlog off late because you know, I am in Jamaica because my uncle passed away, and you know, we're just like reminiscing, and there's personal things that I don't want to put in the vlog because we were a Badmind, and I don't want to curse out anybody, and I choose what I put out there. So there's just certain things that I'm not gonna share with you guys, and that's just because with everything there's a positive and a negative, and there are too many negative people in the world, and that is something that I'm just, you know what I mean, I'm not gonna subject myself to. With that being said, I do want to thank everyone that is positive and support my vlogs, and I see familiar faces all the time, and I cannot say thank you guys enough. Like, you guys are absolutely amazing. Damn, I'm not, my arm is getting tired. But thank you, honestly, because to you guys, you are the guys that make me want to vlog and make me want to share like my experience, my country, my family, and just, you know, things I'm going through. So thank you. With that being said, there's a chicken guy. With that being said, today we are going into Lucy. I'm taking my grandma grocery shopping. And then we're gonna go to country. Country's like where I was like, not grew up, but where I went to basic school and where I met my best friend and all that stuff. So long story short, we're gonna be doing the program with the pastor, like what everyone's doing. I'm doing a remembrance for my uncle. Good morning. I'm doing a remembrance for my uncle. Yeah, so I'm walking with my mom, my cousin Madge, and my grandma. We had a sleepover. Grandma slept over. My grandma, you're so bad. Y'all heard what my grandma said? She's so mixy. So yes, you know I can't see in the glasses. Can you see? It's so like, I don't know. But yeah, so we're going into Lucy. I am wearing Fashion Nova top, jeans, and slippers. So I'll see you guys when we get into the town, okay? Guys, so we had to run some errands. So I wasn't vlogging because we were like a business place. Now we're going to country because we have to, oh, my grandma's here. We're gonna go to country to do the program, and I'm eating cocoa bread. Cocoa bread and cheese. So yeah, so we're going to country. We're gonna go to country and do the program. We're late.
We are on our way. We just reach out. We just left out of Lucy. Yeah, come up now. Yeah, come down.
See you guys in a bit.
So
they don't know my stuff. They just know my song. They don't know I'm fine. Don't fight. Oh, them a go like me not hungry before. Oh, them a go like me not stumble before. You want to make it when you're humble for sure. Crips in a cup and none around me a pour. Oh, them a go like me born in a riches. How them there when man not sleep on the floor. But from a band me say me gone for the riches. Mommy no worry me can't dead boy.
Guys, so I had to put on my glasses because I'm blind. So we just got to the crossroad. This is where I grew up.
This
is where I grew up, guys. It looks so different because it's like all bushy. But you guys saw this in my first vlog when we went to go see my grandma. Now we're going up the same place because I saw, we saw, I mean, we're gonna go do the program. Sorry, my mind's all over the place. We're gonna go do the program. So we're gonna go up to the pastor because we have to pick the hymns and all that stuff. So
me come. Yeah.
Lord, Grandma, you couldn't get a nicer goat?
I would go.
Why looks the eyes look like it's on weed? It's smoking weed. Here.
The goat like a smoke weed.
Yes, the eyes. So this is your pig? Oh, it stinks. I never, guys. I don't like pigs. I never have, never will. It smells. That's what. People love pork, but I don't. Is this your dog?
Oh my dear.
So we're at the house where my uncle lived, and we're at grandma's house, guys. Guys, we're in my grandmother's kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen. I'm counting some box food things for the fridge. Yes, my girl. Wow. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. Mom, 47.
So this is the original.
6 and 4. One.
Let me see 4.
Well, let me read it. What is it? 47.
My soul astray from the straight and narrow way.
You just sing so.
To Jesus I did pray. He heard my prayer. Rescue me that very day. And also,
You sing fast.
from all the path of sin I trod. How is so? The blood has cleansed every sinful stain. I am free by the grace of God. I'm free again. On that sinful path below, all in sorrow, grief, and woe. But I left the shifting sand upon the rock, the solid rock. I take my stand. I sail upon high through the sky because I'm free.
Let me see it.
6 and 4. You know in there.
47, mommy.
How much song pick up on it? Where program am I in this song?
Remember, say our offering song. Yep, about your 4 song.
What are these?
And the dead mark of them.
Everybody gets them?
No, you get a portion. You get people some most family or friends.
You're gonna get some?
Yeah.
I want some.
Then you give them more.
Put them all in my pocket. Bitch! Oh, you give these out? Or the
You
program?
give out it tonight program.
Not everybody getting them.
No, not everybody. And you give, and then get fun too. You get fun.
With the picture? I'm keeping them all. Sorry.
Really? I miss where I live.
Grandma, give me the pile. Guys, look at this. Let me see some. Let me show the people.
Look
Look how many funerals my grandma has been to. No, sir. Grandma, you've been to more funerals?
That's why I will eat.
Grandma, why do you go to so many funerals? You know, I don't. Oh my gosh, Sydney Dread. He doesn't look like himself here, but here.
When he was younger. Very much younger.
Sydney.
Then I got to kush. Let me have your busy kush.
How far glass is this?
Have you soft? Put in your bag. Look one kush.
Big pussy cat.
Mom, look how they did this. With like all different pictures.
That's what I'm gonna put different. If that are the family.
I like that. Mom, I should have brought down pictures of me.
I saw me
people share up. I'm his very quarrel.
No, I want to be in there. Mom.
She said they put the program. People that take the program them. If somebody don't like you, You take the program and drop in one grave. And I saw the rat now, so they.
Okay.
Yeah, no, she did say that.
Yes.
She did say
So
that.
I say, I put no in there.
I want to go in there.
You want to put in there. If they want.
God will see with them. People too wicked and bad mind.
Anything of them, I say. And Veronica, son, this one they are for you.
No, sir, Grandma.
I'm going to funeral.
You take the cake. Who's this?
Sister Rose. Big B.
Grandma, so when you go
Her
to...
grandmother.
So you go to all these funerals?
All of them will see me out.
You know all of them? Grandma, you know all these people?
Yes, Natty.
William Campbell.
William.
It's William.
When we're in a church.
But I young Peter them put funny.
You have the lady, what's her name?
Audrey. This is Audrey.
I'm going to Audrey.
Do you have what's her name?
Sarah.
Miss Lovey?
Rob.
You don't have Miss Lovey's one.
No, Rob.
Where is it, Rob?
Why does he look so familiar? Paul.
It's Aggie.
Paul. Do I know him?
You don't know my Miss Lynch's son. Miss Mary.
Grandma, you have so many.
Miss Mary's. That's our dear uncle wife. This is Eglinton man.
Oh, this is nice.
Miss Miracle.
Look at this picture. How cute.
This print.
Well, this is not cute, but this is... And Mom,
Print.
and I asked Mom, I said, can we do the programs up here? But she said, you have to plan everything out. This is nice. Look how nice this is. Mom. Nice.
So we never get it organized neither.
You give me that back soon.
No, sir. Hot gal, sweet like a honey. Bends to the car, bends to the car. Hot gal, yay. This is nice. No, sir, me have to put my little selfie in there. This is nice. I'm gonna plan my funeral for you guys. Cause I'm leaving the world before you guys. No, sir. I can't take no more. This is nice too. So, Mom, when do you pick the? When do you pick the who?
Here, Gary's sister.
This is her. Wow, beautiful.
You see, Peter?
I'm all me not going to send come give me, but me put on here.
Beautiful. Who is this? Oh, Zeller. Zeller. Oh. Oh, God bless his family.
A Zeller on in there.
But this is nice. They did a collage too. Nice. So what, if you have pictures on your phone, they can take it? Or if you have pictures on a camera, they can take it?
If you have Peter on your phone, you can send it to them.
Yeah, sure, man.
Mom, I have a few pictures I want in there that I have of him.
Guide.
So what, send them to Leisha? Yeah, but I didn't have a lot. So the ones that Leisha...
Whatever you have, what Leisha don't have.
I wanted to put the one with me and him in it. What's his things Mom might put me in a grave. Quinting her eye off me. I'm too bad mind.
Bunny mother, I'm
Wow, Grandma, you've been to... Grandma, you should stop.
Yes, a Karen grandmother this.
Who's Karen?
Karen lives side over there. And grandma, you know.
Oh my gosh, who is this?
Adele Rice's daughter.
She died at this age?
Vehicle lick him.
Lord.
I mean, look girl, you know. Look on this. You see how this do different? A Karen sister, them and him, you know. Karen sister, there, and him.
Oh God.
You have a Karen? You see grandma there.
Life, man. Life is so... It's a way. So... Opening... I think an opening prayer is nice.
First scripture lesson. Read. First.
Cool.
First scripture lesson. Yvette Danny, daughter-in-law. Reflection of life.
Reflection of life is what?
Tiana Dinam, grand.
What's reflection of life?
What's it talk about in grandpa life?
Is that a
selection open the Christian Deliverance Center choir?
is a reflection of a remembrance?
Go Down to Death by Angela Dean.
Is a reflection a remembrance? Poem?
The pastor come up here.
Eh?
No one come up here later now.
Program. Make you see which one we can so. What do you say? One on pen Ecclesiastic 3.
Whose did I like? So wait, we have to pick all the songs? Grandma, just bring your library. Bring your library.
Muggly.
What if the dead is watching us right now and they're cursing at us?
Yes, he shot. Can I see shot?
No, let me see shots.
He shot, yeah.
Let me see his picture. This is shot. You know, I barely remember him.
You don't remember the video?
Yeah, I remember him, but I barely remember him. It's a Samuels.
You see him? Yeah, black and white. Picture.
Oh, he's a Samuels.
They am too red. I don't know like a one.
Look at my grandma's trap phone. Yo, my grandma is a trapper.
Miss Mary. This is what Christian Fellowship do for them. A woman as Miss Mary, 2 little lines.
Miss Mary.
How enough? See there.
My camera light. Grandma, did you talk to him?
Oh. We don't see that over yet.
It's a Miss Mary program.
Mom, what was the other? Can I see the other 2 songs? Let me
put back the plate then another. But when you never come.
Wednesday.
You
guys don't even involve me. What's the other songs? What's the other songs?
What do we see?
See panic program.
So we're just using this one song?
6 or 4 9 hymnal.
Let me see now.
What are we doing now?
Over there, Grandma. Grandma, sing them so I hear them. So this, what's... When?
No one no song sing on my head.
Where's up you sing?
Don't sing it. What? Just show me so I can look at the words.
While traveling through, I'm on my way.
Yeah, I like that one.
To glory.
Let me see the other one.
Satan led my soul astray.
Yeah, those are nice.
No, come on.
So you have the list. Is he here? Grandma, call him and see if he's back. Call him and see if he's back.
We don't go out there.
No, we go back. We go to our road. Where we?
Guys.
Come on.
Mom, I left my phone in your...
Where like a phone?
Did I leave it in...
One.
Guys, look at Grandma's animal farm. So we have the cat, Mr. Whiskers, the dog, Brownin, and the 2... Well, how many chickens? 5 chickens? 4 chickens. No, 5. 4 and then 1. Oh. Guys, we are on a farm. But this was my grant. You don't have no coconut water, Grandma? Guys, so we're about to go.
How far this?
Grandma's trap phone.
No put up your phone in my bag.
Scamming.
Grandma's scamming, guys. Oh my god. I'm putting that up. My grandma's so gassy, guys. I don't know what's going on with her stomach. Last night I slept with them. Lord, Mom, you don't know what I went through. They think I didn't hear them. Where? So we are walking out. Did I show you guys what I'm wearing? This black top.
You can't sleep up out so.
Gavan sweep. I breeze up there now. I'm blowing Gavan sweep from out there so come straight out there so.
It's true. Mom can't live in life. Grandma dropped the program. She's going down there. Grandma, be careful.
Hurting. You can't cry this morning.
Okay, good. I will see nobody at Mama. I didn't go too soon, no?
Oh my God.
If I talk, you might soon come there.
Me I'll go Jatin's film, fit Derval.
Well, he was I went on the day. Then just went to mother and 40 days. And he just sent Angel.
My great grandma's coming to see me tomorrow. Now we're just running around doing funeral stuff. It's just it's a way, you know. I was like crying yesterday. It was just a mess, but it's life. I just have to kind of deal with it. Guys, my skin is getting so much better, but sorry I'm not vlogging, but tomorrow I promise I'm gonna vlog more for you guys. I promise. But I'm getting ready to go to bed. I took my makeup off and my skin is getting so much better. I have a little stuff right here, but my skin's getting a lot better. But anyways, guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. Tomorrow I will vlog for you guys. I promise, I promise, I promise. And then so forth and so on. I'll see you guys later. You want to see Mom?
No, put on 5 of them, none of them close.
Guys, subscribe, thumbs up. We need 100 thumbs up on this video. Thank you. Good night.